Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Amazon Seller app for pricing and inventory, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by unlocking your smartphone. Navigate to your device's application store. For Android, open the Google Play Store. For iOS, open the Apple App Store. In the search bar, type Amazon Seller. Press search or the enter key on your keyboard. Locate the Amazon Seller app in the search results. Once found, tap on the app to view its details. Check the app's ratings and reviews to ensure it's the official version. Tap the install button on Android or get on iOS. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, locate the Amazon Seller app icon on your home screen. Tap the icon to open the app. Sign in using your Amazon Seller account credentials. If you don't have an account yet, follow the prompts to create a new seller account. Once logged in, explore the features available within the app. You can manage your pricing and inventory directly from your mobile device. Familiarize yourself with the app's dashboard and tools for ease of use. Now you're ready to leverage the Amazon Seller app for your business needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.